This is part 2 of the bar of soap problem. Please watch part 1 if you need to watch that first. This won't make sense if you don't. So to do a 95% confidence interval and to run a linear regression t-test in Google Sheets, here's what we're going to do. What you're going to go to is this at the top that's called add-ons. And I already have it, but you probably don't. It's called Excel Minor Analysis Tool Pack. What you're going to want to do is go to Get Add-ons like this, and then you can search. There's lots and lots of add-ons you guys can put onto Google Sheets. It's taking a while to come up, but you can just go to Search Apps right here and search for it's capital XL, and mine even comes up, Excel Minor Analysis Tool Pack. You're going to click on that, and you're going to add that onto your computer. I already have it added on, so I'm going to go to add-ons, and once you have it here, you're going to go to this analysis tool pack and go to start. And what we're going to do is be able to run a linear regression test. So off to the side, there's lots and lots of things we can make with this, but I would like you guys to go down to linear regression. Okay, this is kind of annoying, but this is how you have to do it. The input Y range, right now it says C8, but that's not what I want. We want to have these weights right here, and I'm just going to highlight 124 down to 16 and hit enter. And hopefully that shows up here. Yeah, I just kind of click on it again and it shows up. I'm going to click in the X range, and notice it put those numbers. I don't want those. I want these X numbers, the days. And I'm going to go back and click and see how it changed to my A's and my B's. Confidence level, we want to leave that 95%. And we're going to scroll. We're just going to go ahead and hit OK. So what we're going to see, output range missing. That's okay. This is just, hey, where do you want us to post all of this information? I'm going to say, why don't we post it kind of over here? It doesn't really matter, but E1. Now I'm going to hit OK. And it's just going to post a lot of information here. What we're really concerned about is a couple things, but it's mostly the bottom row. So do you guys see where it says X variable? I'm going to highlight this right here. And you guys can probably find our lower 95% and upper 95%. I'm not really sure why they show it twice, but this is your confidence interval, and you do not need to include all of those numbers. So negative 6.54, I'm just going to say negative 6.5 to negative 6.1. So bar of soap, negative 6.5, comma, negative 6.1. Type today. Okay, and here's what that means. We are 95% confident the true slope is between negative 6.5 and negative 6.1. Okay, and notice that our slope that we had before was negative 6.31. So see how that's kind of similar? It's kind of centered around those two numbers. Okay, this linear regression t-test. We talked about before how you write the null hypothesis, and you can just use a capital B for now, equals 0. Now, if you read the directions here, I want to do a negative, significant negative relationship. So I'm going to say these are called B1. Beta 1 equals 0. Beta 1, the slope is negative. We think the slope is significantly negative. Our test statistic is T. I'm going to go back here, and can you guys find in this row our test statistic right there, T-stat? Wow, negative 58.6. That's huge. Negative 58.6. And our p-value is, go back here, p-value is 0. So it's really small. So we're going to reject the null and say there is a significant negative linear relationship between days and weight of soap. And that's basically all that you need to know. Hopefully this is going to help with your NFL project. Please email me if you guys have questions. I'm going to ask you guys a few questions in a Schoology quiz about the bar of soap, and that's how you guys will get credit for this. So have a great day and good luck this week.